Okay, Monday morning. Very boring Monday morning. I want to make a quick video lesson on a couple tickers and also pretty much to say don't trade if you're new. Like maybe just sit back, study, observe, or if even if you're not new and you're just having a hard time adapting to the slower market that we've had for the past month or so, few weeks, past couple weeks especially. Gotta adapt, gotta just see what the market is offering. And sometimes that means no trading, and that's that. And you don't want to force anything to lose money or make your career journey even worse if it isn't going that well. If you're still starting out and having a hard time. Um, so yeah, just watch, learn. It's okay to take a day off, a week off, not to trade. The market ebbs and flows will come back. Right now, not the best time. But let me just get into a couple tickers. We got Isig. Congrats to all overnight longs. We have had a great play here. Right out of the watch list, I actually made a little mistake. 24.36. It was actually 23.36 for the to green move, but it never really dipped. So anywhere here, previous high daybreak, offered a great 10% move and got to exactly where I thought. Really, 26 to 28, got what, a quarter less than 29. So right in the area that I thought that it would top out. I did also think that if it failed to break down in the morning, it could squeeze some more shorts. We don't have that huge of a float. As well, decent volume, heavily shorted. You can see with this, still uptrending. Looking good. And then we got Reli, and I know this one's heavily shorted for sure. I saw this on a list of most shorted stocks in the market and whatnot. Was talking about this one last week. Had a good trade on it, and today, kind of just looking for a failure to break down. VWAP reclaim, looking to test the eights, maybe nine-ish. Just a quick short squeeze. It has been fading for a couple days, but it is still in the bigger picture, making a higher low here. So if this thing fails to break down, get some more volume, starts uptrending, reclaiming VWAP, getting close to the high of day, I could see this being a solid play to test at least 8. Besides that, honestly, I don't see much. Psti might be another one that's holding up above open price play, just going sideways right now, slowly uptrending, holding up above VWAP right now. Disgusting overall chart. It could possibly test 2 low 2s. It is almost going to rotate the float, so that's pretty good. We'll see what happens soon. But this thing, as of now, even though it's uptrending, I am seeing some toppy action with the triple top and just choppiness of the play this morning. We'll see what happens. I got a solid volume perk here, most all morning. So definitely want to see if this fails to break down. Could definitely be something. But right now, I'm just sitting on my hands. Nothing to get too excited about. NTRV, maybe if it breaks 610, could be a solid multi-day bounce. Maybe get $1 out of it. But really, nothing today. Oh, Dwac, just as I say something. Okay, beautiful. Okay, gonna be looking for that 60s break. This is a really, I've been keeping my eye on this. This is a nice red to green move here. Did I write anything about this? No. Yeah, just a 62 break is all I'm looking for. But here we are getting close to it. Roughly 10% away. This is going to be certainly a top watch now. Consolidate and holding nicely. This is great. Not the smallest float, but it's only been about an hour and we've done 1.5 million. I think if we get some more volume, we'll definitely be close to rotating it and doing more. But I'm actually going to wrap this video lesson up. I need to pay attention to this. I would like to get a trade off. It's been a boring morning, and this is the only thing up right now. So we'll see what we get. But keep in mind, it is a boring morning. This thing could easily just get back to 62, maybe 64, and just fail. We'll see what happens. Gotta be patient still. I'm not going to ignore everything I just said just because I finally see a play popping up. I'm not going to get any FOMO or anything. Be patient. If I miss it, I miss it. Might be a play later on. So, yeah, that's kind of exciting. Finally got something. Just make sure everything else still sucks. Yeah. Not a whole ton. Okay, Dwac. That's going to be a great play to watch now. Looking for that 62 break. Maybe if it keeps holding on right around here, VWAP catches up to it, consolidates for a bit. It could be a potential early play in the high 50s to test the 60s and have a fake out. Kind of like the video lesson I made over the weekend, and I think Friday as well. Had a similar plan for other plays like that last week. AACG was one of them. So, got to keep an eye on this. But at the same time, there are a few bag holders. I bet there's some people bagging this from the other day. Going to be weighing this down. Same thing from here. So, somewhere in the 60s, if it's holding and consolidating, doing good volume, I would like it for a potential. I think this could do 50%. Get to 90 or 100. I think it could do it. I'm not expecting it to take off. I don't know. I know in February 21st is the expected launch for the app. But yes, I'll wrap it up. Keep it nice and short. So, making another video lesson later on, wrapping up the day, seeing how these finished up. But yeah, I'm gonna take off now and pay attention to this.